We are pleased to show you the 2016 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, 8 speakers, leather shift knob. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.